voiceover, take one, only one. Alright, so I was banging these drumsticks, and the tighter you hold them, has a higher frequency, and if you hit it lower to the handle part, it gets lower, but as you go higher, it gets higher. If you release the tension, the wavelengths will be longer. The pots, they have different pitches because the Pringles can has a smaller diameter, so it'll give it a higher frequency, which leads to a higher pitch. This tin can has a larger diameter, which will give it a higher frequency with a lower frequency with a lower pitch. When we did the shadows, we used my cell phone, and when we moved the cell phone closer to the hand, the shadow got bigger, and when we moved it further away from the hand, the shadow got smaller. The area behind the shadow is called the umbra, where light cannot penetrate, and then the lighter shadow, or also known as the penumbra, is where it's just like a dark gray, a light gray area around a shadow.
Alright, what we got here is some nice pipes with different lengths. As you can see, it's different lengths here, and the lower one produces a lower pitch because it's longer and a little bit wider than all of the rest. And as you go higher, obviously it gets higher, so the radius of the higher one is way smaller than the lowest one here. You know, look at that. You can see them all. And we got this little frog here, the little thing to play it, and we have these little spikes, and the higher ones, they're really tiny. You can see that. They make a higher frequency. As you get lower, it gets lower. And also, if you look down there, I have a guitar. One of my strings is missing, but the guitar string has a number of frequencies at which it will naturally vibrate, and the natural frequencies are known as harmonics of the guitar string. The natural frequencies at which an object vibrates depends on the tension of the string, the linear density, and also the length of each string, and all the natural frequencies or harmonics are associated with a standing wave pattern. So that's about the guitar, and yeah, those are our instruments that we played with. Alex explained the other ones, and there you go.